See that all the way at the base of your skull? Boom.
I can
boom,
feel it.
Boom, boom. All of your reflexes are normal. How about this?
That is a little tight.
What do you
just
feel?
behind my leg.
Behind your leg. Okay.
It might just be me
How
not
about
being
here?
flexible though.
No, it's all right.
That doesn't hurt at all.
And right
Yeah,
there.
that hurts.
Okay. Here we go. Take a deep breath in. Anything in your arm?
Mm-mm.
Good. Anything in your arm?
No. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I hope the sound got that one. That was like 4.
It was pretty deep.
I think that was every
I
single.
think that was 10 for 10. Okay, breathe. Chin up for me, just like look back, that's it. Let all the air out. Here's this one set. I'm gonna do some skin pulling. I'm gonna pull the lumbar. I'm just gonna tuck this down a little bit.
I always wondered what that felt like.
Deep breath in. Excellent. Right there.
Ooh.
All right, here we go. So I'm just going to work backwards here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Okay. Right. Yes, you got it. There it goes. That's all it goes. Other side.
Oh, it just hopped on its own.
Okay. There's always some more. Press out. 5, 4, 2, 1. And then squeeze.
Oh, that felt so
Okay.
good.
Stick a foam roller in between your shoulder blades. Open up the chest.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel a lot lighter though.